Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're not going to be in the Mustang because I got a new Tesla Model 3. Check it out right here. No, I'm just kidding. That's not my Tesla Model 3. That's my buddy Sam's Tesla Model 3 over here. And today he's going to show me some Easter eggs with the Tesla Model 3. So for those of you who don't know what an Easter egg is, basically it's something that Tesla hid in the car that you can find out and activate by using certain words or entering certain names of the car, and then the car does something special. So we're gonna hop in and check them out. Before we even get in, there's a Easter egg that's not really an Easter egg. So what is it, Sam? All right, we gotta get in the car.
Basically another way to get into the car. So most people typically push and open here. One thing not a lot of people know is a spring, just like that.
All right, now we're gonna hop in the car. We are now inside the Tesla Model 3 and we're gonna see what it can do. So what's up next?
Well, let me swivel this towards you. So a couple things you could do in here. I mean, you got the voice commands, so you just tap this right click wheel. You can tell it to do whatever you want. Elon hit a nice little trick in here. You say, open butthole, and the charge port opens.
What do we got next?
Let's see. I mean, while driving, you've got within the toy box, you can change everything to Santa.
Let's see, next up we have ho 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 mode.
Ho ho ho.
So I heard there was another one that was ho 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 not funny.
I don't know, I've never seen that one. We can try it.
Let's give it a shot.
Ho ho ho, not funny.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer.
Different song, same general concept. Monty Python.
Monty Python. So, come in here, change the name of the car. Mine's Model 5. We're gonna change this to Patsy.
I heard there was another one for the seat warmers that you have to say eject passenger seat and it'll heat up the passenger seat.
Let's try it. Eject passenger seat.
There we go.
Definitely don't want my seat warmer on in Miami.
The other one is my balls are cold.
Let's see. My balls are cold. Same thing.
Disable life support.
Let's try it. Disable life support. Oh no. It's gonna be hot in here.
How about enable life support?
Enable life support.
Whew. And it's back. And how about the Rick and Morty one? Keep summer safe.
Yeah. Keep summer safe. Sentry mode engaged.
So what is Sentry mode?
Sentry mode basically has proximity sensors around the car, and these cameras detect any suspicious activity around you. Then they start recording once someone lurks a little too long. Right, if they peek their head in the window, it'll notify them that Sentry mode is activated, and if they stay around, it'll start recording and set the alarm off.
Nice. So that's going to do it for our first round of Easter eggs in the Tesla Model 3. There's some more that we have to be driving for, but we don't have enough time for that, so we're going to revisit the Easter eggs next time. Remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.